In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up approval process in Melio. An approval process is useful when you want certain payments to be reviewed before they are sent. In Melio, this is handled through approval workflows. A workflow lets you define a dollar threshold and choose who must approve payments that meet that rule. This helps keep spending consistent and adds a clear checkpoint for your accounts payable process. To begin, sign in to your Melio account. Make sure you are in the correct company or workspace if your login has access to more than one, because approval rules are saved per business. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Settings is where you manage how your account behaves, including permissions and controls like approvals. Inside Settings, find and select the Approval Workflows tab. This is the area dedicated to building and managing your approval rules. If you are setting this up for the first time, the page may look fairly empty, which is normal. Next, click the button to add a new workflow, shown as Plus Workflow. This starts a new rule that you can customize. You will be asked to enter a threshold amount. The threshold amount is the payment value that triggers approval. Choose an amount that matches your internal policy. For example, you might require approval for anything above a certain limit, while smaller payments can be processed without review. Enter the threshold carefully, since this number controls when the workflow applies. After that, select the approver or approvers. These are the people who will be notified to review and approve payments that meet the threshold rule. Choose individuals who are responsible for authorizing spending, and make sure they have the right access in the account so they can approve without delays. If your workflow allows multiple approvers, select everyone who needs to be involved based on how your business wants approvals handled. When everything looks correct, click Save Workflow. Saving publishes the rule so it can start applying to relevant payments going forward. It is a good habit to double-check the threshold and selected approvers before you save, to avoid unexpected approval holds. That covers everything you need to know.